Assalamu alaikum. Let's make Chinese bhajiya. Here is the list of ingredients. In a bowl, add finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped carrots, finely chopped mixed pepper, chicken cut into small pieces just like this. Add chicken, spring onion. Mix it well all together. Ginger garlic paste, green chillies chopped, tomato sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, soya sauce, black pepper powder, salt, egg, corn flour, all-purpose flour or maida, besan, red food color. It's optional. If you want to add, you can add. Otherwise, you can skip it. And mix it well all together just like this. Do not add water. Just mix it like this. बेहतर बनाने के लिए पानी डालने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. सब्जियों के पानी से ही बेहतर अच्छे से बन जाएगा. Now batter is ready. Deep fry on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. 3-4 मिनट के लिए मीडियम फ्लेम पे फ्राई करें ताकि चिकन अच्छे से गल जाए. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn gas on high flame and cook for a minute so it will make more crispy. Chinese pakora is ready. Now just take it out. Okay, enjoy. दुआ में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.